Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. All you creative beings around the world, I'm greeting you from the bottom of my heart. Hey, have I ever told you that when you raise up your hands in the air like that, you cannot be unhappy? It's the truth. So try it out and you will find it's immense, it's a treasure what we have, gifted by nature. It is great. And maybe you will love to do that one day. I find it's very important to do something in life what we love to do. It can give us a balanced state. So I have heard once that only 95% of the human people of the human people are not happy with what they do the whole day. This means 95% of the people are doing jobs that they do not want to do. So, and if you count, it is 1/3 of a day, 1/3 of a life that we do not want. That's too much, huh? It is, because the other 1/3 we're sleeping, and the other 1/3 also might be that there are tasks we do not like. So maybe it's half of our life we are not doing what we want to do. So it's really, really necessary that we have something what we love to do. I hope that you have already found what you are loving, and I hope that you are doing it so often. So this means if you are having a job which is not so nice, but you say, okay, I have to go through this, that's okay. But maybe in your free time you can find something which is very beautiful for you. So to being creative is very wonderful, because with these kind of things you are very easily coming into the present time. And in the present time every time we feel good. So there are many ways to come into the present time. Creativity is very easy, or playing an instrument, singing, dancing, and painting. Also, soul painting is an easy way to come easily into the present time, and also meditation, So I hope all of you find something which you love to do. For that, also are heartily welcome to download a free guide on happysoulpainting.com. And there's an introduction to soul painting inside. So, whatever you feel, wherever you have an impulse to go, there you should go. Nobody can tell you that. Only your impulse. I wish you a very, very, very great day ahead, my friends.